gonna see if an AI is capable of creating Brawl Stars from scratch. Who isn't tired of playing the same old Brawl Stars all the time? All good. The shop is locked. There are many pay-to-win brawlers, and Supercell ignores its community. We already know that Supercell always takes a long time to listen to the community and fix a simple bug. But that's over today. Today, I'm going to create my own Brawl Stars with gambling and hookers. But is creating your own Brawl Stars really as easy as just asking an AI? Well, let's see what happens. Okay, the first thing we're basically going to do is ask ChatGPT to make Brawl Stars for me. Yeah, it's a bit weird to say that. Another thing, we're not going to ask it to create brawlers or gameplays. No, just to make me a game similar to Brawl. I think by telling it all this, it's just going to create a simple, basic game for me so we can understand it and work from there. Perfect. I'll give you a minimalist and playable browser game inspired by the gameplay of Brawl Stars. Okay, and after a long time, this thing finally finished working and wrote a lot of code. So, this is our first version of Brawl Stars. Oh! Okay, well, let's see. We're off to a good start. Look, I mean, it doesn't really look like Brawl Stars because obviously they're just little balls and sticks and walls. And, well, this character I'm controlling would be Colt. And look, he shoots. Boom. Bam! Let's see. Here it says that with the E key, I can break down walls. So let's see what happens. If I want here, for example, I'm going to go this way. I shoot. Look! And I break the wall and I can go all the way over here. Wow, I mean... well, that's not what Colt does with his ultimate, you know? So, well, this is the first version of Brawl Stars from EA. And honestly, it's a pretty primitive and simple version. I mean, we have enemies that attack us. Yes, just like in Brawl Stars, we can shoot and move just like in Brawl Stars. But obviously, there are a lot of details. For example, there's no basic attack reload. The ultimate does nothing. And the graphics are just simple balls and sticks. So let's make a small list of things that Brawl Stars needs in our next update to make a new update for this game. Okay, alright, let's see. It's giving me almost the same thing. Look, over there on the other side are like the stats. Okay, ultimate, it does 100 damage. Look, let's try using the ultimate. Let's see, Colt doesn't do that. The ultimate charge is broken. I mean, I've made the most broken ultimate in the whole game. There's only one character, but I've done it. Basically, he added different enemies. Yeah, they're the red enemies. They just follow me. They're basically those robot enemies. And the blue enemies, well, they're the robots that shoot, which is pretty good. I think it was very similar to the previous version. I mean, he didn't really dare to make a different version. Let's see. Now, I need the brawler to have a preset range, right? Because the bullets go all the way to hell and travel super far. The same thing happens with the ultimate. The ultimate should have a preset range. So yeah, I kept making a lot more changes to the versions of the game. Adding things like being able to heal, adding things like the range, and making the ultimate a bit more realistic. But there was still something very important missing to play Brawl Stars. Because something that really characterizes Brawl Stars is its characters. So I have to add a second brawler to the game. And what better brawler to add than Shelly? Yes, we're gonna make a brawler selection menu, so we can choose the brawler we want to play with. And of course, let's see if this game can have 2 different brawlers. And let's see what happens here. Damn! Look, notice the following. The game is already so well made that every time I move the mouse over it... Stop. The menu moves? I mean, it's so well made that... oh my god! Let's choose Colt and let's play with him. Let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, this is Colt's gameplay. I can move, of course, and I can shoot. He even uses the same bullet effect as in the game. Of course, the ultimate is well done. A bigger bullet graphic. And honestly, it's pretty good. I mean, I just need the nice graphics for it to be Brawl Stars, but we could already say this is Brawl Stars. Look, I can even do... oh, I can even spin. I mean, it was fun. I have to admit it. Now let's see how Shelly works. Okay, to start, we have her basic attack. Her basic attack looks pretty good. I mean, it's true to the game. And now let's see her ultimate. Oh! What the hell is this ultimate, bro? What the hell is this ultimate? I mean, that was the most insane Shelly ultimate ever. It's disgusting, that ultimate. Hey, this is genuinely addictive. I mean, I've got Shelly here. Oh! Well, pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to deny it. This is pretty good for being a knockoff Brawl Stars. So, good. Now, taking into account that artificial intelligence can handle a character menu, we're gonna add a lot more characters to the game. In this case, we're gonna add 5. We're not going to overwork the artificial intelligence either. These 5 characters will be the 2 we already have, plus 3 other characters that I think are key in the game. The first of these brawlers is going to be El Primo. This is because he's a short-range tank brawler who jumps at enemies. Well, it's a very common characteristic among many brawlers. The next brawler is going to be Dynamite, since we need to add throwers to the game. A unique characteristic that quite a few brawlers have. And as the last brawler, we're going to add Spike. So while my slave, the artificial intelligence works.
So, why not leave a like and subscribe to help me make more videos like this?
Hype up this video too. It really helps me keep creating content. Calm down. Damn your mother. Damn your grandmother. Damn yourself. Damn your neighbor's father. Damn his grandmother? So, well, after you did all that, the artificial intelligence has finished its work. And let me tell you that what it gave me was pretty strange. Let's see. Well, let's see. The main menu is already something else. I mean, look, there's Colt, Shelly, El Primo, Spike, and Dynamite. So I already have 5 playable characters. Let's mainly choose El Primo. Let's see, Primo. Okay, Primo seems tougher, right? He seems tougher because his attacks are close range. Yeah. Okay, sounds good to me. He looks like the tough one, I have to admit. He really looks like the tough one because he threw a barrage. Damn. What's going on? What's happening? No, they killed me. What happened there? What happened there? I mean, I think that was like a bug because in the next level, a lot of enemies showed up. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, literally, there are enemies everywhere. How does Primo get here? How does he get here? Okay. All right, level 2 is basically an impossible level. Let's see how Spike plays. Come on, little Spike. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Spike literally crashed the game. I mean... See that? Look at that. Look at that. Spike crashed the game. I mean, every time a new brawler comes out, I think these are the things that happen to Supercell. So let's check out Dynamite. I have faith in Dynamite. We already saw El Primo. Okay, Dynamite. What are you doing, Dynamite? I'm not convinced. I mean, literally, he's just a brawler who shoots a basic attack. And he has an area of effect, you know? I mean... And this? And this? And what the hell is this? I mean... I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. Dynamite also broke the game. Look at this. Look, the game is totally messed up. It's totally messed up. Literally, you can't do anything. Okay, well, out of the 3 brawlers, the only one that worked was El Primo. The others were trash. So yeah, for future game features, we had to remove Dynamite. Because honestly, this brawler was never useful. It never worked. It was good for nothing. So yeah, now that we have 4 playable brawlers, the next step was to create a game mode different from the 1 versus all mode. And yes, the game mode we were going to create for this video would be none other than Gem Grab. We've seen the AI create brawlers, but can it make game modes? Here's what the first Gem Grab match would look like in this Pirate Brawl Stars. Let's get started. Okay, I don't know what the enemies are doing. They're following the gems, but they don't reappear. They just stay there or die. The gems appear in the middle because that's where the gem mine is. We already have the system to collect gems, defeat enemies, and make them drop gems. So, well, we've recreated the Gem Grab game mode pretty faithfully. Let's go back to the menu. Let's select Spike. Shit. Alright, perfect. It sort of works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. That ultimate, this doesn't make Spike in the game. Okay. And in the end, we were able to more or less create a Brawl Stars from scratch. We had characters, we had game modes, we had quite a few gameplay features. And well, I think that maybe someone who actually knows about programming and can handle AI could make this game based on AI. So tell me, would you dare to make a Brawl Stars from scratch? Let me know in the comments. If you really enjoyed the video, well, I've got more challenge videos on the channel for you. And also, I'm sharing the most recent video on the channel.